everybody. Welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here, Natural Transplants. We are in the DC office, and we are joined today by our special guest, Pauline.
Yes.
Pauline, welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
Pauline is in the medical field as well, too, so it's always nice to have a fellow medical person coming in. Thank you for doing this for everybody and sharing your story. And if you wouldn't mind, tell everybody why you're here, kind of what has led to this point, maybe why you found us.
It's been a long journey. I've always wanted to do something with my forehead.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it's really big, and also my hair is way back. So I've been here before. I did a consultation that was years back, and I didn't make up my mind yet. I tried many other things that didn't seem to work. So finally, I gathered the courage to get it done, and I'm here.
Awesome.
And also, I had gone through many YouTube videos of people that had done it, and I liked the results, so I'm here.
Fantastic.
Hoping to get the same results.
Awesome. We'll get you there. You have wonderful density for this. This will be great. And we're honored that we can be part of your journey. And sometimes it takes months or years for someone just to kind of emotionally, psychologically be ready for it. And they may need to try other things first, and oftentimes those don't work. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's fine. You tried the SMP, you're sick of wearing wigs, and you just want your own hair back. And we sort of talked about that earlier. So awesome. I'm so happy for you and excited to get started. I'm going to have Saul zoom in just a little bit. And so you can see we have, some deep recession on both sides, traction, maybe a little bit of genetic as well too. But either way, we're going to knock it out, and we're going to drop the hairline down past her natural hairline. She said she always has had a large forehead, which she has not liked. So we're gonna fix that as well. Yep. Excited?
Really excited.
Awesome. Yep. We're gonna do a little bit of drawing, and then we'll come back and visit with you in a few minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Sounds good.
All right.
We are back with Pauline, and we have drawn out the hairline.
Yes.
Dropped the hairline a little bit from the old hairline, and filled out sort of the whole playing field. Doing okay?
Very
excited?
Okay.
You ready?
Excited,
Good.
Yes.
Awesome. So I love it. I think it's a nice look. Shrunk the forehead down, but you still want to maintain symmetry to the face. You want it to look natural. I think it's going to look awesome. So we did a little bit of shaving. We got a couple of Valium on board. We're going to head next door, and we're going to start the process. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's do it. All right, we are finished. Dr. Blumenthal back with Pauline. Congratulations, you made it.
Yes, I did.
How did today go? How are you feeling?
It went so easy, and I was nervous in the beginning, but when it all started, I was so relaxed, and I didn't even feel that I spent that much time in the office.
You were snoozing most of the day. You were asleep most of it.
Yes, I was.
You took enough Valium to be very comfortable today, which is great.
I did, and I had a good lunch, and thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. I'm going to zoom in. This is live, so we got things beeping everywhere. So we were able to get the entire area, which I was really psyched about, and I think it's going to look awesome. You got great hair for this, and it's going to look really, really good. So we were able to cover all the way back up in the corners. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You did it. Welcome to the family.
Thank you.
Any words of advice? I know you were sort of debating for a while and didn't do it. Then you decided to do it again. Anybody sort of in that same position, what would you tell them?
At this point, I feel so bad for taking this long to make a decision. I should have done it a long time ago if I knew this was going to be the outcome.
Yeah.
And I encourage everybody out there, don't give a second thought, just do it. If I were to do it, I would do it again and again.
I'd do the same way. Hopefully you won't need to do it again and again, but earlier the better. Most people say they wish they'd done it sooner. That's what almost everybody says. Pauline, thank you so much for doing this. Hopefully this helps somebody out there. And hopefully we'll see you in a year and see some fantastic results.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Thanks.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.